All right, so thanks for joining me. And in today's video, what we're going to do is we're going to take a look at a bearish wheel strategy. And how would you do a bearish wheel strategy? Because there's a lot of the wheel strategy concepts and they apply to kind of the bullish sense. So here, I'm going to show you that when you learn the wheel strategy, you can actually apply it to also a bearish market and bearish conditions. Now, one of the reasons we're talking about this is we just recently had a latest course launch. This is the wheel strategy profits course. You can check it out on our website at tradersfly.com. Take a look, and there's a slight little discount, so just visit tradersfly.com and you should be able to check out that course and see what it's all about. So in either case, if you don't know that you can go in and create a bearish wheel strategy, it is the case. You can do it, but you do things a little bit differently. So when you go in and you do a bearish wheel strategy, first off, let's look at the bullish side. And when we look at a bullish wheel strategy, I'm going to go and look at Shopify here, which is I have a handful of options sold on it already. So what you're doing is you're buying a bunch of shares of stock, okay? We're buying a bunch of shares of stock and then we're selling options against it. Now, I might have some additional things in here like puts sold and so forth, but in general, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 items here, and I've got the stock itself as well. So if we look at just buying 100 shares of stock, and then we short, not short, but sell the call option against it. So we'll hide the positions, and then we can say, okay, we bought those shares of stock. Now let's sell a call maybe here at 68. So this would give us a bullish view. Okay, so meaning we have a positive delta. Now you have to remember and understand, well, what is it that happens when you sell this call option? It means you're going to lose the 100 shares at some point in the future if the stock gets to 68 or higher. So here you've got a positive delta and it's looking to move to the upside. Now, in order to do this bearish, well, what can you do? Well, you could sell instead of buy. Why don't I short the stock? Okay, so now what's the problem? The problem is where do I sell my covered call? Well, in this case, you'd actually sell a covered put. So you can do the same thing, but we'll sell the put. And then we will go to, instead of 68, we might go to 64. We're selling the put. And remember, when you sell the put, you get the shares put to you. Well, I'm short the shares, so I want those shares put to me, right? So this is how you would do a bearish strategy on this situation, or in a position like this, where, you know, a lot of people, they always have bullish positions when it comes to covered calls. But what you can actually do is have negative shares or short some shares and then sell the put against it. Now you've got negative delta on it. And this might be good. Instead of having, let's say, 5 covered call positions, you could have 3 covered call and 2 covered put based positions. When we look at something like I have here, Moderna or Disney, we could do that on these positions right now because I don't have covered puts. In this case, the stock itself just kind of ran to the downside. Okay, and what we can do is now sell the covered, sell a put over here, and I can sell one of these, and then I can also do the same thing maybe here, do maybe 3 of those, and then do over here, sell a couple of these, 3 of those. So I should be up to now, I've got 3, 6, 7, and then we'll do 75, 8, 9. So there we go. And then I'll do another one over here. And that should get me about 10 positions here on Disney, because I have 1,000 shares short. So I've got 3, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So there's my 1,000. And now I've got myself some covered puts in those cases. And that's how you might approach it. You could do this on Moderna or pretty much anything else that you want. Right now I have Moderna here, 400 shares short, and I could take the 24 days, go and sell maybe about a 30 delta, sell those and sell about 4 of them. And that would set me up for a covered put position in this one as well. So that's how you might approach it and do it when it comes to doing a bearish position on the wheel strategy. Again, if you're interested to learn more about the wheel strategy, I highly encourage you to check out the Traders Fly website. There's a lot to learn there. Wheel strategy profits course. Course is in-depth and detailed. You can click it. It'll take you to our Rise to Learn website. There's already 47 videos, about 22 hours long, and we're continuing to extend this further and kind of grow the trade examples on there as well. So definitely encourage you to check it out. Hope you join me. Thanks again. Visit tradersfly.com, and I will see you in the next video. Take care.